Navigating dental veneer costs, Europe versus Turkey. The use of dental veneers has become more fashionable in recent years for improving the appearance of your smile. Veneers are small shells which are put on top of the front teeth in order to alter their color form, size, or length. They may help in repairing imperfections, such as chip scratches, discoloration, cracks, or gap between teeth. One primary concern of many who are considering getting dental veneers is the price. In this clip, we'll look at the cost of veneers for dental use in Europe in comparison to Turkey, as well as discuss elements that can influence prices. Cost of dental veneers in Europe. The price of dental veneers for dental veneers in Europe differs greatly based upon the nation and dentist. They tend to cost more in those countries that have high living costs, for example, Switzerland, Germany, and the UK. In the average, the price for one veneer in Europe can range from €500 up to €1,500. It does not cover any additional charges for consultations or the x-rays required or other treatment before the veneers will be applied. Factors that influence the pricey cost of veneers for dental purposes within Europe comprise the knowledge of the dentist as well as the superiority of the materials utilized and the costs of running an overhead for running a dental practice. Furthermore, some European countries have strict guidelines and very high requirements for dental treatments, which could increase costs for veneers. Cost of dental veneers in Turkey. Turkey has grown to be a well-known location for dental tourism thanks to its top-quality dental services for less cost. Dental veneers cost in Turkey are significantly less expensive compared to Europe, as prices vary between €200 up to €600 for a veneer. This cost difference could be due to less living expenses as well as lower cost of labor and the lower price of dental materials used in Turkey. There are numerous dental clinics within Turkey serve international clients and have packages with accommodations, transport, and translation services. This makes it an economical and affordable choice for people who are looking to have dental veneers. Turkish dentists also are well known for their exceptional competence and their use of the latest technology to ensure that their patients receive the best treatment with a fraction of expense. Factors to consider when choosing between Europe and Turkey for dental veneers. In deciding on the best place to obtain dental veneers, there's a lot of things to think about other than price. It is crucial to study the credentials and reputation of the dental clinic or dentist in addition to their quality and the products that are used. Most patients prefer the dentist who is specialized in cosmetic dentistry. They also have the experience of performing veneer placement. Furthermore, it's essential to think about expenses for travel and accommodations for getting veneers in another country. Although Turkey could offer a lower cost in terms of dental veneers, but the costs of traveling as well as accommodation could be significant, in particular for those who travel from a distance. Patients need to consider the amount of time necessary for multiple appointments and subsequent sessions when planning their procedure. In the end, the price of veneers on the teeth in Europe tends to be more expensive in comparison to Turkey due to reasons like the cost of living in addition to labor and the regulations. Turkey is a less expensive choice for dental veneers, with no compromise on quality, offering a great option when looking to upgrade their smile. Patients need to weigh the advantages and costs from getting veneers for their teeth in Europe in comparison to Turkey before making a final decision that best suits their finances and needs.